MLB Prize Picks for Tuesday, July 9th. I'm Sniper from DFS Army. Hit the like button. I got two plays for you today. I'm going to play them as a pair. You could save them for the Taco Tuesday promo. Either way, hit the like button. Let's go to work. All right, this is the DFS Army Proptimizer. It's back after a couple days off. I'll let you compare prize pick lines, sportsbook odds, and our projection model to help you find plus EV plays. Play number one today. It's Kenta Maeda, more than 3 strikeouts. Lined at plus 106 for the over 3.5 on Caesars and FanDuel. Yes, it's a plus number, but because you get a push on 3, the math actually says this is a good play to go over. Then you look at our projection model, 3.83. It's a good play to go over on prize picks because of the push. 3.83 in the projection model. Last 5 games, if that's what you're into, 3 wins, 1 loss, 1 push taken on Cleveland. Kind of checks all the boxes I am looking for right there. We head on over to prize picks. We'll find Kenta Maeda, more than 3 strikeouts, and that is play number 1. Real quick, if you want to get access to this tool or DFS Army in general, you get more picks, the Discord, all the good stuff. I always say link in my bio. Here's or link down below. I use a link tree to get everything for DFS Army right here. Top link, Sniper20 gets you 20% off. Here's nice and easy. All your deposit match codes. Get these deposit matches. It's free money you're leaving out there. $500 on Sleeper. You want the prize pick tacos? Get in right here. Make sure you check out that link. Appreciate everyone who does. We had a free week promo over at DFS Army. That is up, but always have the 20% off. Play number 2, let's scroll down, get back to it here. Joey Estes, less than 4 strikeouts. That's how we're going to round things out. The other play I'll have in the chamber for these tacos, just like Maeda, the play before, his last 5, it's 3 wins, 1 loss, 1 push. The under 3.5 is lined at plus 112 over at Caesars. You see all the odds right here. Same thing, even though it is favored to go over, because we get a push on 4. And a projection model being lower, the form being lower, does check enough boxes for me. And what is a relatively thin board, I was usually hope for 1 or 2 plays we have ranked in the green, or a few more, I should say. Estes, by the way, this 53.92. Our green ranking is 54%, so it's real close to getting over that number. This is going to be play number 2, though, at just under. So let's go ahead. Let's find Joey Estes. We'll go less than 4 strikeouts as play number 2. Knocked out 2 picks. Let's do an honorable mention pick today. Going to head back on over to DFS Army. If you've watched videos the last few days, I've been using the domination station. I'm going to go head over there right now, see if we can give you an honorable mention fired up. Taking a couple seconds here. Head on over. We'll go to the Domination Station Optimizer, so we get all our fantasy score stuff for FanDuel, DraftKings, etc. It looks like the slate not yet loaded. I'm a little bit early this morning, record these first thing in the morning, so the slate not yet up. I'm sure it will be. So I tried to give an honorable mention there, and looks like I'm falling right in my face. But this is where, by the way, the DFS Army Proptimizer is. 1 under more. I go to player props. Spin for just a second. Prize Picks Proptimizer, and it loads everything right here by sport. You got NFL, NBA is coming, guys. NHL, college sports. We're in kind of, the dog days of summer here, just dealing with MLB. This tool is updated live. Looks like the freshest play here. Last 5 doesn't agree, but in terms of odds value, James Talon, less than 4.5 strikeouts, really good projection, and minus 140 over on FanDuel. The last 5 is where things wouldn't quite line up. So that's where I'm going to go with an honorable mention as the tool refreshes one more time. But for the official plays, so we had Talon under as honorable mention, but officially today we're going to roll right here with Kenta Maeda, more than 3 strikeouts, and Joey Estes, less than 4 strikeouts. We got all those prize picks, taco promos coming at you later today, but we'll lock in. That's what we got. Go full screen. Hit the like button if you didn't already, but for now, that's all I got. Here's that daily reminder that whether or not you are a DFS Army member, you probably should be. But either way, good luck in those contests, and I'll see you next time.